Hello everyone. This module will help us to generate an lot and serial number in picking, manufacturing and inventory adjustment. Now let's get into the settings. Under inventory, you can see an option named lot number apply method, whether we can apply based on the global and also product wise. Now let me check the flow of the global. So over here I just add a digit as 5, and over here I add a prefix over here. Okay, so let me change a prefix to an lot prefix. Okay, now let me save this one. Okay, over here now let's get start with a purchase. Now I'm adding a vendor, and in this I need to add a product. So for example, I add this product. Okay, now I'm receiving the product. This product must be in the traceability lot. Okay, and over here when I get into that, it will auto generate a lot based on the method we have defined in the settings. Now, like the same way, I will show you in the manufacturing. So over here, just I'm creating a manufacturing order for an product. For this product, I already define and traceability as a lot. Now, let's confirm and produce all. Over here, you can see the lot will be auto generate. Okay, based on that which we have set. Now, let's move on to another one, which is an inventory adjustment. Now in this we need to get into an inventory adjustments. Okay, so here I need to generate a new one, and I'll add a product. You can see that the inventory adjustment lot will be automatically generated. So now let's change the settings based on the product wise. Okay, so over here I'm changing this to product wise. Let me save this one. So let's get into the products. Over here just I'm getting into one of the products. So for this product I already enabled addressability as a lot, and in this I just enable a digit as 3 and prefix as pro based on the product wise. Okay, now let's place an order with the same product. Okay, I'm adding the product into the cart. Okay, so over here you can see the lot will be automatically generated based on the method we select in the settings. Okay, so like the same way it will be same for manufacturing as well. So if we use the same in the manufacturing for a product wise, for example, I will add in product based one. So here in this we need to add a prefix digits. Okay, so digit as 3 I'm adding, and over here I'm adding an so I have added a prefix as well as the digits. Now in this let's get into the manufacturing order, and I will create a manufacturing order for the same. I will confirm, I will produce all. So over here you can see that the lot number will be generated for the product which we defined. And in the same way, like we need to get into an physical inventory, and if you need to create for someone like bolt, you can see based on the configuration it will be work. So in this way, we can make use of this module to auto-generate a lot and serial number in picking, manufacturing order, and inventory based on the configurations that we have set. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box.